All right. So there you go. Full style bhai. So first, let's have a look at Hindustan Unilever. Hindustan Unilever. So what was the buying price of Hindustan Unilever? Is what he said. Let me have a look. Hindustan Unilever. The buying price is now. Guys, don't put any of your stocks because I want to read. Otherwise, it just kind of goes up, right? So this is not a platform of Zoom. We are on a different platform. We are on GoToWebinar platform. So Subhendru is the one who's asked me this question. And why are people seeing your chart?
Because they are seeing my chart. Because you have the complete data.
Acha, aisa hai kya? So tell him what do you want to say about Hindustan Unilever? What do you think? So Hindustan Unilever, I would suggest you just hold here. There's not a problem really. Okay. So let me have a look at your chart. Yeah. Hindustan Unilever is a hold, but do you want to give him a stop loss or anything like that, or it's not needed?
No.
No, it's not needed, right? Okay. So Hindustan Unilever is a hold here. There's nothing that you need to do about it. Let's go to Dinesh Malviya. He's got no. After that, there is Pratik Babul. He wants Blue Dart. So let's go on Blue Dart here. Let's see. Blue Dart. What do you get to see? Nicely trending. Huh? Blue Dart Express. So here's how it is. I don't know who's asked me Blue Dart. Pratik is asking Blue Dart. Here's what you're going to do with Blue Dart, okay? And please do it in this particular manner. I can see that there is a little bit of a problem here. So what you need to do is please put a very tight stop loss at 5138. And what do you want to say? I would suggest you put a very tight stop loss at 5138, and whatever is the upside, you take the upside. And I am pretty sure. Don't put it at 5138. Put it at 51. No, 49. 5149. Look, control that you'll be able to see it. 5149. 5141. So my suggestion is you put a tight stop loss at 5149. Take whatever is the upside. Okay. Um, yeah. So let's have a look at the next one. Next one is Dinesh Malviya has got Tata Motors. So what do you want to say about Tata Motors? Let's have a look at Tata Motors. Oh God, Tata Motors. So you say what you have to say, then I'm going to say what I have to say.
Stop loss at 276 and take the upside.
276. Okay, that's yours. That's what you're saying. 276.
Yeah.
Okay, I am going to say a slightly different manner. I think you should put a stop loss at 286. So 286. So put a stop loss at 286 and take the upside. If I were you, I would probably exit at about 340. I would exit by 340. But I would definitely put a stop loss at 284. So put a stop loss at 284 and exit at 340. That's all I have to say to you. So depends on what did you want to say? Same thing or
Yeah.
you want to same thing?
The same thing.
Same thing. So he's copying my trades now.
You are copying my trade.
Okay. So HDFC Life and so Ratan Verma says HDFC Life and Sanofi. Everybody knows who's copying whose trades, okay?
HDFC Life is hold.
Acha, even without looking, you know HDFC Life is hold, aisa. Means full global kya nahi. Okay, even I say it is hold. So hold HDFC Life. And what is the
Sanofi.
Sanofi?
Sanofi is also hold.
Sanofi is also hold without looking. Superb. Yeah, Sanofi is also hold. But you know, Sanofi is going to be in such a manner that it is going to take you some time to make money, okay? So don't be under the impression that Sanofi ko thoda time lagega. So you guys have to hold the stock for some time. Probably about a year and you'll be able to make good amount of money. Right there, okay? So Vishal, you got that. Ratan Verma, you got your answer. Vishal Gala also has Sanofi. So Vishal, the same answer goes to you. Manish Sawant has got Finolex cables.
What?
Finolex cables.
Finolex.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Finolex. Oh boy. It's Finolex or Finolex cables.
Finolex.
No, there are two different stocks. So I want to see what stock he is talking about. Finolex cables, he's saying. Manish Sawant says Finolex cables. What do you want to say about Finolex cables? Let me have a look at the chart. You seeing the same chart what I'm seeing? Because some of my stock charts have been it's not a problem. Okay, so here's what you got to do. It's given a clear cut breakout, but you know you might want to take an exit on the stock. Here's what you got to do. Okay, you say what you have to say, then I'll tell them what I have to say. What do you want to say to them?
Exit.
Exit,
Yeah.
like just clear exit.
Supply might come now, or it might go sideways.
Okay, so with the saying supply might come, it might go size. Here's how I would say it. What you can do is you can at least have a look at your exits at about 494. Okay, 494 you can have a look at your exit, so let it go a little bit higher. But you can do very interesting stuff. What you can do is you can put your stop loss at 410. So if it comes down anyway, you are protected. 410 and 494 are the two values that you might want to look at. You want to reconsider the offer? There's a song called Le Tera Baap Hai. So 494 and 410 is that you are going to be looking at. This is my thing. So put it at 410 and have your peaceful sleep. Is that okay? So then let's Sanofi. We have already said. Park Shedda says Axis Bank, HDFC Life. We already told you. So Axis Bank and Z Entertainment. Okay. So, Axis Bank and Z Entertainment. Axis Bank. Let's have a look at Axis Bank. Axis Bank. Yeah, you know what? Honestly speaking, okay, you say what you have to say.
Axis Bank.
Axis Bank.
Yeah, Axis Bank.
Yeah.
You might not be able to make as much money on this stock as you would want to. You can exit at 764 and stop loss at 698. Okay. Stop loss at 695.
695.
Yeah.
So here's I second my son. You know, it's going to be a boring stock. It's not stock which is going to, you know, it's not something which is exciting. It's not something which is going to make money for you, or rather, the upside has already been taken. On a risk reward ratio, the risk and reward is the same. It's not very exciting. It's not something which I'm going to jump into. Okay. So it's like looking at Aishwarya Rai now vis-a-vis 25 years back. So, okay. You're getting what I'm saying? Not being disrespectful to her, but I'm just giving you an. I mean, so Axis Bank, find somebody better here. I mean, there is Disha Patani nowadays. I don't know who else is there. So, you know, Z Entertainment. G Entertainment. Okay. Oh boy. What do you want to say?
Exit.
Exit?
Yeah. But if you want, you can exit at 207. Second exit 214. Third exit 224.
Okay, so Parth, here's what I want to see. I want to say. So so if you listen to me, I would say hold on for some time, hold on for quite some time, and plan your exit at 245. Okay, honestly, this is not a stock which you should be getting into, but now that you've got into it, well, that's where you need to plan your exit 245. So if you don't exit at 245, then the next exit is at 290. So either 245 or 290, but you'll have to wait for some time. So you have to be learning how to get patient. Maybe another year or so, but 245 and 290 is very strong possibility. You can put a stop loss here, you get into trouble. Okay, so there you go with Parth Chedda. Okay, Nitin Vaswani's question is, sir, is Prudential life insurance a good long-term investment plan? So you guys know, Nitin, you know this, that this is not a forum where we are going to give you stock recommendations. Okay, the whole world is there for you to give you stock recommendations, right? The whole world tells you what to do and to buy. It's only when people get into trouble is when we take out time and tell you what to do with it. This is not a forum for buy. In any way, I don't give buy recommendations to people unless and until they are my students. So I'm going to stick to that, and I'm not going to be giving you the recommendation. So if you think it's good, put into it. If you get into trouble, I'm there for you. Okay, cool. हिंदुस्तान लीवर बाय प्राइस 200 ठीक है डजंट मैटर शुभेंद्र हिंदुस्तान लीवर का तो मैंने आपको बता दिया आईसीआईसीआई पारितोष जोशी सेज आईसीआईसीआई बैंक लेट्स हैव लुक एट आईसीआईसीआई बैंक आईसीआईसीआई बैंक what do you want to say
Hold on. To.
hold long term are you serious like long term
Yeah.
okay don't give me attitude
Don't take that.
आजकल बच्चे बच्चे मुझे एटीट्यूड दे रहे हैं so here's what you're going to do yeah and I agree with him that I don't know why you said long term but I know the reason why I'm saying hold it for long term so hold it for long term there's no problem you'll make money now so I'll tell you where it is going to probably and possibly go so there will be a little bit of a problem at 680 levels okay and it is going to give you what is called as a technical breakout and will further go up don't worry about it hold it for a year or so after a year and a half when you make money take us for a beer means take me for a beer he'll come down and have a cold drink
I will turn 18.
yeah so what
So what?
you can't drink okay so you're turning 18 has no meaning yeah you guys are able to hear us or you guys are not able to hear us I think people are able to hear us okay so Hina Agarwal says hang on Hina just hang on for a minute go slow and the rest of you guys please don't type because I need to read what Hina is saying sir if I may ask can you please share your views on Gufic Bio, SGRL, JSW Steel, TVS Steel, Chakra, and IEX. Thanks. Your view on Gufic Bio, GUFIC. Why are you laughing?
GUFIC.
Yeah.
Bioscience. Rigged.
Yeah, beautifully written. No? So here's what it is, Hina. Gufic Bio is a rig stock in the sense that it's a played stock. There is somebody who's there's a cartel who's playing the stock. Okay, now don't ask me how I know this because we know it. So here's what you got to do. If you want, you can continue holding it. I don't know whether you have the stock or you're just asking me because. Uh, but anyway, if you have the stock, if you don't have the stock, you might not want to get into the stock. If you have the stock, I would suggest you would exit, but you know there is a chance that it would go up. But this is a stock where the risk is higher than the reward, and it's not something which I would like to get into. But so yeah, hold on for some time. You'll probably make money on this. So SGRL and JWST. Otherwise, SGRL.
JSW.
Yeah.
Exit.
JSW still exit.
Yeah.
You didn't even see the chart.
Yeah. Okay. SG.
Yeah. Okay. Means what? JSW for look at the chart. No.
I have seen it.
Actually, you've seen the chart. Why would you say exit?
Oh no no.
Then
JSW Energy.
so that's why don't be overconfident. Anyway, uh, don't be overconfident with stocks. So here's what you got to do with as far as JSW Steel is concerned. Put a tight stop loss at, and this is how you do it. Otherwise, you're going to get in trouble. बोल तेरा stop loss बोल फिर मैं मेरे को बताएगा मैं. Let me see whether you know anything or not. You only style.
Stop loss at 639.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I don't know what you saw in that.
Because you're missing one candle, you know.
Achha, no, I am also saying 640.
So I said 6.
No, actually 639. You're right. Oh, like full copy of mine. People will say you're looking at my chart. 639. I also agree at 639. So go to stop loss at 639. You should be fine. Take the upside. Maybe you're just looking at my screen.
I didn't know.
Then?
I should have one more candle than you.
Yeah, but it's not there. Anyway, I still say 639. That's not a problem. So yeah. So SGRL, SGRL, SGRL. ये कौन सा स्टॉक है भाई? अच्छा NBSE, it is NBSE. Oh, cool. No? How cool is that? Superb. So let me tell you, this is a full, absolutely full stock, which is a rig stock. Okay, it's going up right now, so it will continue going up. But the day it starts gapping down, you will not get an exit. So this is how it is. It goes up, it goes up, it goes up. You continue making money, right? The moment an operator decides that he wants to, this is a typical, absolutely typical and 100% pump and dump stock. Okay. So you'll buy, you'll keep on putting more money, you'll buy, put in more money, you feel more confident, you think you are a rock star in life, you are, the neighbor of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and Ramesh Damani put together, and you'll buy more and thinking buy khatam ho gaya straight away from here to Altamont Road, and then there'll be a pump and dump and you'll lose all your money because you won't get an exit. It's not, the risk is not even a digital risk, it's an absolute risk because you won't even get an exit. So here's what you got to do if you want to really protect yourself. What do you want to say to them? What should you be doing?
Put a trailing stop
She
loss.
trailing. She would not know trailing stop loss. If she knew trailing stop loss, she would not be asking.
You can tell a broker now.
No, broker. Yeah, brokers. Yeah, you're right. Broker is the first person who must have given us this tip.
244.
Yeah. So I'll tell you what you should be doing, and boy, you are going to get into trouble. You have to put a very tight stop loss at 260 or 257. Okay, 257 is where you put your stop loss and hope and pray to your favorite god that it goes up. It will make money because it's a operator driven stock. Somebody is artificially taking it up. So 257 is where you put a tight stop loss. So let me give you two stop losses. So as the stock starts going up, you will make, you can move the stop loss. So one stop loss, you put it at 257. So here's what you do: put your stop loss at 257. If the price goes above 350, and it will go above 350, so put it at 257. If the price goes above 350, move your stop loss to 300. If it goes above 350, move your stop loss to 300. You understood? Okay, I hope you get this. So that's SGRL. Next, you want to have a look at JSW Steel. You gave, right? Yeah, TVS Sri Chakra. Let's have a look at TVS Sri Chakra. TVS Sri Chakra. Look at the chart first, understand the chart, then you say whatever your recommendation are. Don't be like Warren Buffett is your eternal uncle, like someone here. There are people who are depending on us for our advice. So we have to make sure that we give it in as much honesty as possible. So here's what it is for TVS. Okay, Bolo, I'll tell you later. इतना टाइम नहीं लगता है.
I know. Just honest review, no? Honest opinion.
So all this Oliver dishonest.
No. Seems like a pump and dump.
Yeah, which it is, but here's what you do. जल्दी बोलो यार, time नहीं है.
Exit at 2207.
Okay, so he says exit at 2207. Here's my recommendation to you. Hold it for the next 2 years. You'll make money. It's still a pump and dump stock, but hold it for the next 2 years. You'll make money, and try to plan your exit at 3535. 3.5. So hold it for some time. At least 2 years, you will double your money. So if you want to hear, me giving stock for recommendations like doubling your money, here's it is. So hold it, double your money, 3535 exit. Then last one is IEX. So let's have a look at IEX.
Indian.
IEX, I don't know what IEX. IEX.
Indian Energy Exchange.
Oh God. So I don't know whoever has given you all these tips. No, they are all into full operator stocks. So you are surrounded by expert operator stocks, which is okay. There are some people who make money out of it, but more often than not, people also lose a lot of money while they make money. So they make money, they get excited, and then they lose all their money. I've seen it many a time. So that's how it's going to be for you. History has a way of repeating itself. So IEX again is a clear operated stock. क्या करने का बोल?
You can hold for 6 months. Or 1 year.
Yeah.
You can hold.
So here's what I'm going to say. You say 6 months. Here's what I'm going to say. I would say this very strictly. Please put a stop loss at. I'll give you again two stop losses. So put a stop loss at 326, and as the stock starts moving up, 326 is where you put it. As the stock starts moving up, please move the stop loss to 346. So 326 and 346. Okay, 326 and 346. This is what you got to do. Okay. Yeah. Hina, have you been able to get it? हिना मैडम है ही नहीं यहाँ पे. अच्छा चलो है. There's also pump and dump. People ask me and then they they went away. ठीक है, होता है ऐसा. So Hina, I hope you've got all your answers now. All right. So okay. So Vishal Gala says, please give me a suggestion on Subex. Hey guys, don't tell me, give me a suggestion. Yeah, say I bought this stock here, so I have this stock. rather than give you suggestions on Subex. Just saying. So tell us very clearly, you have this talk, we'll give you advice anyway. Subex, bolo. Then you also get a option of listening to whoever you want to listen to. So you can take my advice, you can take his advice.
There's controller.
अरे मेरे को पता है, मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है.
This
Yeah, I know. So you know what? If you are into Subex, again, this is a absolutely stop, pump and dump stop. Okay, and you are going to get into trouble if you already are not. So here's what you got to do, but it will go up. Okay, and that having said that, it will go up. Oh God. Oh. So here's what you got to do. Please plan your exits. Please do yourself a favor. Plan your exits at 77. But while you planning your exits at 77, what you need to do and clearly do this is go list the stop loss beta. So let me see how much you know.
1 or 2.
1 1. You can't decide your stop loss looking at that chart. I'm ready with my stop loss.
49.
Okay, so my answer is please put your stop loss at 48. Okay, please put your stop loss at 48 and exit at the one which I at 77. So exit is at 77, stop loss is at 48. Okay, all right.
Listen to him or me.
You listen to me, just hear him out, but listen to me. I am telling you, I got better advising capacity. Okay, so who else was there? So Dina, उसके बाद में विशाल था, उसके बाद में wait, hang on here. So Anadi Trivedi, his HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, please advise. Bolo, HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank, hold, both, both hold. Trivedi ji, both hold. HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank. That's what my son says. I also say hold.
Yes, no,
Last time we had taken it. I don't know where were you at that point of time. You were missing in action. So otherwise you would have got your answer last week only, or maybe you didn't pay attention to us. So that वो भी चलता है भाई आजकल सब कुछ चलता है. So your view on Subex we have given, right? FSL. Let's have a look at FSL. So Nitin Nirvana is asking us for FSL. चलो FSL. First. Yeah. Versus solution. So what do you want to say?
Red stop.
Okay, so all of them are going to be.
Stop loss at 116 and take the upside.
116.
6.
So if you're going to determine your stop losses on Mars, then you're going to always mess up. So I'll tell you, 116 is what you said. Oh, I say 118. But ठीक है, 116 is also not bad. 118. I would say 118. He says 116. You can choose.
And I say 117.
Okay, so he says 117. I say 118. You can listen to where you want. So first of solution, Nitin Nirvan 117, and you can take the upside because it is going to go up. So you can make some money. Okay. Pratik is asking, should we exit at 780 and move your stop loss? Pratik, look, most of the people who are asking us here are not trained. Okay, you are trained. You are my student, so you know what we are doing. Okay, so the way you go about doing it and the way other people are going to go about doing it is going to be very different, right? Because you will be able to think for yourself. These people don't know. So those things let's not discuss here. That can be discussed tomorrow on a racetrack day. So on tomorrow's session we can discuss that. That's not. Okay. So Anadi is asking, sir, but there could not be put my query. Thanks for the advice. Was there but could not put my query. Okay, thanks for that. Okay, all right. Uh, yeah, most of them are pump and dump stocks. Anybody's got any other questions? Anybody, any other stock that you want to ask me? So I think we've kind of given answers to most people's questions. Anybody else has got any questions? So I had Torrent Pharma. Uh, Torrent Pharma. Have a look at Torrent Pharma and Kirloskar Ferrous. So let's have a look at Torrent Pharma, right? Torrent Pharma. Torrent Pharma, what do you want to do? Hold long term. Okay, so Torrent Pharma, you hold long term. Torrent Pharma, you hold long term, and okay, guys, just hold on because it's all going up. Okay, so right now when I tell you to type, then you type it. Okay, right now you hold it because it's all the price. You know, as you type, it all goes up. So Kirloskar Ferrous, have a look at it. Kirloskar Ferrous. Don't prejudge anything. Yeah. Then yeah, Kirloskar Ferrous hold long term. No, don't put a stop loss. Just hold long term. Kirloskar Ferrous hold long term. There's no problem. Just hold long term. Okay, then second one is APL Limited. Vivek Sambor is saying APL Limited. You're talking about AP Lab, is it? Or what? I'm not able to get it. Vivek, what are you saying? Is APL Limited is what? Okay, type in again later. Did you get APL Limited? No, even I didn't get it. I don't know what he's talking about. Next one is L&T. Let's have a look at L&T. बहुत जल्दी मेरा तो हो भी गया देख के some people are so slow in life, you know, I tell you. L&T. You say Larsen and Toubro. Type in LAR. Yeah, yeah. Follow. L&T, what do you want to do? Hold? L&T is hold? Yeah, even I would say hold. Just keep on holding. You'll make money. Not a very exciting stock, a very boring stock, but you will make money. Okay, so Anadi, you got your answer. Nitin Vasani says ICICI Prudential at 410. This is my question wrongly earlier. Okay, no problem, sir. ICICI Pru Life. Yeah. Oh. बोलिए ICICI Prudential Life. So Nitin Vasani has bought it at 410. जल्दी बोलो मेरे दिमाग में तो आंसर आ भी गया है जैसे दिखता है वैसा बोल सकता है आंसर फटाफट
Where's the honesty?
Honesty means I'm just faster processing information.
I can bench press more than
Sure. I can get people to bench press more than. बोलो जल्दी.
This will be a
Anyway, some people are very bad with advertising on stocks. Anyway, let me tell you, just hold.
I said hold, and then you're saying hold, and then you're saying bad advice.
Yeah, so I think they just keep on holding. No problem. I'll tell you what you do. Hold it for the next at least. At least hold it for the next 2 years. I don't see an issue. Okay. Syed suggestion says Navin Floro. Bolo.
Naveen?
Floro. कल ही तो बताया तूने.
So that's Naveen Florin, no?
Yeah.
Hold long term.
Hold long term. Yeah, hold long term. Yesterday only we were discussing it, right?
Floro क्या होता है?
Okay. So Hina Agarwal says Bajaj Finance, Happiest Mind and Dabur. Dabur is bol. It will take some time.
Dabur is hold.
Dabur is hold.
Happiest Mind we took last class.
Okay.
And third is
Bajaj Finance.
hold.
Hold. Hold. He's become like he's watching too many Hindi movies.
I didn't know. I was Sadhguru and he said you should wear white
Acha.
if you want to give knowledge.
Give knowledge to wear white.
And black to take knowledge.
Black to take knowledge. Sadhguru says you have to give knowledge to wear white and black to take knowledge. Awesome.
Spiritual.
Vivek Sanbori Singh, Alembic Pharma. Chalo. Alembic Pharma. बोल हो गया मेरा बता के खतरा.
Sideways.
That's why it's called as a computer.
You won't make money itna zyada. But if you want, you can hold.
Okay. So here's what I would say to him. I would say I don't know whether it is Alembic Pharma or of Alembic Pharma is what he's saying, by the way. I have to give the right advice. Alembic Pharma. Hold. So it's going to bore you, but okay. So Alembic Pharma, the way you have to do it is keep investing for the next 3 years. Okay. Don't ask me a question after. Don't come to me after 3 months and say, sir, what to do. No. Hold it and for 3 years. Okay. Which means ask me a question in 2025. By the time you come to 2025, then you'll make a lot of money. And obviously, hopefully by COVID will be over and then you can take me out for a drink. Okay?
3 years is 24.
Okay.
Maths and will gone.
Okay. आजकल के बच्चे. Okay. Balaji Amines. So who's saying this? So this is for Ankush Chug. Ankush Chug says Balaji Amines. Okay. क्या है?
Some people are so slow. I mean, what do I say?
Okay. क्या मत है? बोल जल्दी.
Hold.
Hold? Yeah, okay, even I say hold. Yeah, hold. Yeah, so Balaji Amines, उसके बाद में Bajaj Consumer.
Consumer care, no?
This is Bajaj Consumer. Which one is Bajaj Consumer? Dixon and Bajaj Consumer.
There is no one. Ask him.
Which one is it? Bajaj Consumer what, yaar, Ankush? Anyway, meanwhile, go to Dixon. Dixon, hold. Yeah, Dixon is hold. At this point of time, Dixon is hold, but Dixon could change his color. When it changes color, we'll give you a different answer. Right now, it is hold. Apollo Tubes. Apollo Tubes. He's saying Pratik Babal says Apollo Tubes. APL. This is Apollo Tubes.
So Apollo tube नहीं आते.
APO, I don't know what Pratik. Pratik, what are you asking? I don't know. Alembic Pharma. Did we talk about Alembic Pharma?
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay, I gave you an answer. So Kanti, I think Kantilal, you got your answer on Alembic
Tubes
Pharma.
or pipes?
No, this one is saying tubes.
Tube and pipe is the same.
No, it's not the same. Uplo bolo yaar. Pratik Babal is asking for uplo bolo. What do you want to do with uplo bolo? Hold. So first you do the wording and then you look at the chart. That's
Hold on.
awesome. Like
Because I've gone through the
the new Jack Snyder
I
movie.
go through the charts every day.
Achha, so he says he goes to the charts every day. So that's why he knows. Charts नहीं होएगा चार्ट वाले के पास जाता रहेगा. Anyway, so Apollo Polo is hold it seems. That's what he says. Berger Paints had 766. Berger Paints
Hold.
hold. He says hold. I don't know what he's drinking nowadays.
Also,
Berger Paints is hold. Berger Paints is hold yaar. Yeah.
3.
Nimish Thorad also says Berger Paints hold. Berger Paints is hold. Happy Parito Joshi, happiest mind.
Happiest mind.
Already said. What did he say? Hold.
No.
Then
Happiest mind. Hold.
hold. Yeah. Okay. Hold. So happiest mind is hold.
See, he said 5. Someone said 5.
So Naveen Floro says Naveen Floro का तो आंसर दिया ना. Fluorine. Naveen Fluorine is what?
Hold.
Hold. Hold. And Lal Path Labs.
Lal Path will also be hold.
Lal Path is also holds. So Ratan Verma is saying Alembic Pharma.
Then ना 3 charts ago.
हाँ Alembic Pharma बताया ना यार क्यों कंफ्यूज कर रहा है. So SBI card. Ratan Verma says SBI card. Let's have a look at SBI cards.
SBI cards is a hold. I think.
We did discuss it yesterday, didn't we?
Hold.
Yesterday only we discussed it, right? Hold.
Yeah.
It's going to be slow. It's going to be slow. It's going to make you slow money, but holds. Okay. Biocon, Aman Khan says, Aman, hey, hi Aman, how are you doing? Chicken biryani. Aman, he thinks of you, thinks of chicken biryani. Can you imagine this? What a lousy guy. Various. So Biocon hold, yeah. Biocon is not a problem. Hold. It'll take you some time, huh? Biocon will take some time. It'll tire you out, but it's okay. It's hold. Bajaj Consumer Care. Ankush is saying Bajaj Consumer Care. Let's have a look at it here. ऐसे मत कर यार. Ankush looks angry right now because we're not giving him an answer. Okay. बोल जल्दी मेरा तो आंसर भी हो गया. फटाफट. There's a difference between a Ferrari and a Maruti 800.
Tesla.
जल्दी बोल. बजाज कंज्यूमर बोल जल्दी बोल.
First exit at 307 and second exit.
See how much time it takes. आज बोलेगा तो कल आंसर देगा.
381.
That's not how you look at stocks. Here. I'll tell you, just hold here. This is going to make money. Arya, you remember this is what I told you about in the morning. Yeah. So hold. Just hold. Hold it for another 2 years and you'll make money. Okay. And meanwhile, try to use some care products. Yeah. Acha, exams. Aman has got exams and he's sitting here and doing this. Aman, I'm going to tell your dad. Instead of studying, you're sitting and attending webinars on stocks. So Dinesh Malviya is saying FCS software. Let's have a look at FCS.
We saw now?
FCS. FCS और फुल पेंटिंग है यार. आई डोंट नो द मालविया साहब. आई डोंट नो किसने आपके साथ मजाक किया है. लगे बहुत गहरी दुश्मनी है तुम्हारे साथ.
Did you know which is that movie? 2 week में पैसा double.
हाँ. You know, this is a stock which is, if it gets into a lower circuit, no, it is going to shred your money to pieces. Okay, जब तक ऊपर जा रहा है तब तक जा रहा है. जब नीचे जाना चालू होएगा, you won't get an exit. So I would suggest don't get into something like this. You have worked very hard for your money. Okay, so IRCTC both. I think it's about 10 years. It's already here. So I'm going to take another 4-5 stocks and then we are done. Then we might take it next week if I have the time. Hold. Subhendra says hold. I can't be angry with you. I'm just kidding. So Ankush, I know. ठीक है. Okay. So I think last 2 or 3 stocks and then we are done. अंकुश का आंसर दिया ना. सर होम फर्स्ट फाइनेंस. Home First Finance. Home First Finance. क्या बोलने का ऐसा. Hold. Exit at 620 is all I can tell you. Whenever you get a first opportunity, the moment, forget 620, 610. The moment it goes to 610, please exit. Can you see your chart? Same, right? The moment it goes to 610, please exit. Don't hold it anywhere beyond 610. That is for Home First Finance.
Next.
XELP MOC. I don't know heard of this, but okay. XEL. Oh boy.
Then Fox Design. French. Then Fox. Zell. Mock.
क्या करने का बोल. You are not in a grammar class. So this, even a cat would have been able to give an answer in a second.
Exit.
You know, by looking at it, a cat would have said meow or exit. You're taking so much time. So I'll tell you, Ankush, you will get into massive trouble with this XELPMOC design, whatever that means. Okay. I don't know who's given you this recommendation, but whoever has given you this recommendation, okay, please get out of it, because if it starts gapping down, you won't get an exit. Having said that, I would tell you what you do. Put a very tight stop loss at 270. If it goes up, there you go. You make money. If it goes down, 270 is the max where you should be taking your risk. Okay, and last one is persistent system. Okay, उसके बाद में we are going to close. Persistent system.
Persistent hold.
Persistent system hold. Yeah, he says hold. I also I agree with him. You can hold. Yeah, persistent system hold. All right, so I think this is where we are coming to the end of the topic. It is 10:05. So we have been giving you guys recommendations for the last 50 minutes continuously. All right, so thank you guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you for attending. I hope we have been able to give you some value add. And all I can say is that please don't lose money.
Please don't leave your house.
Yeah. Please don't lose your house. Please don't make money. Please don't lose money. Work hard, study hard, learn before you do anything in the stock market. It's easy to lose money otherwise. All right, so thank you so much. Thank you and bye, and we'll see you next week if it permits. All right, so goodbye and good night.